Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a game using Manus AI. So you can also get more credits by inviting your friends, but you're just going to go to the kind of page here and you're just going to type create a game that is similar to Guess Who, but for guessing for instance animals. So this app will actually create the game. Got it? Okay, so this is the concept, and then going to do more research on it. I think it's also going to actually create the game for me. There should be like a programming tab, but I haven't been able to find it yet. But that is it. It's going to take a long time, obviously, to actually produce the game, like let it work on the game. So I'm just going to stop here, but you can also like make some changes once you have looked at the game. Maybe like some things like off. You can like tell Manus AI to kind of redo it, I guess. But as you can see, it's still like 1 out of 5. I still hasn't like design game mechanics and rules, design user interface, as well as the coding and programming, which I don't really understand that much on programming and coding. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.